Hey, Freedom Stackers. It's week 49 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. Hey, Freedom Stackers. Hey, Freedom Stackers. Freedom Stacker here. Let me start by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take anything that I say in this video or any of my other videos as financial advice. This is what I'm doing. This is what I am inviting you to join me in doing. To be able to stack 5 ounces of silver and a 10th ounce of gold on alternating monthly schedules. Well, you made it. It's week 49 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. And you've made it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and this is your first video that you're seeing on this topic, go back and check out this playlist from the beginning. Because this is a step-by-step weekly walkthrough in order to be able to stack 5 ounces of silver and a 10th ounce of gold on alternating monthly schedules. Whether you decide to save your money in an envelope or a shoebox, or me myself, I save mine in my Acorns account. If you don't already have an Acorns account and you'd like to open one, go ahead and use the code in any of my videos. That way it'll know that you came from me, and you'll get $5 and I'll get $5 added to my account for free. Hey, Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 49 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. So we're going to make a one-time deposit of $45. Got it. Invest. Confirm. And got it. Sweet. This being the last month of the year, those of you that have been following along with me since the beginning of this know that the original plan was for 41 ounces of silver and a half ounce of gold. And in order to do that, I need to purchase 10 ounces of silver in December. Looks like we got a dollar's face, 35% war nickels. Gotta get 4 for free shipping. I could buy 10 there. I could buy $10 face in the war nickels. That'd be 10 ounces of silver at 28 cents over spot. There's the $10 face of 40%. That's still under $1 over spot. There's options. And who knows what the cheapest silver is going to be come the end of the month when I make my purchase. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking, and I'll see you in the next one.